Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent fly is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. I'm back out here to the big field with AliExpress good find, y'all. Hashtag AliExpress good finds. I found this little plane on AliExpress. I have done a video on this one before, but this plane has a vertical mode, and when I was flying it in vertical mode, I wasn't really able to keep it in vertical mode long because we had some wind. But right now, very little wind, so I set up the vertical mode on one of my 2-position switches on my boxer transmitter. So I'm going to try to fly this multi-protocol, and I have it set up for vertical mode. So I want to test out that vertical mode. I should have removed the wheels because I don't really think I have a spot to land at. Maybe I'll try to land over there, but I'm going to hand toss it though to get it in the air, and we're going to get this guy flying in vertical mode. So I believe this is the FX9701. I could be wrong though. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna have the name of this plane right over top of it right now for the video, and I'll have links in the description as always and codes to AliExpress where you can get this guy for a little bit cheaper than normal. So let's get it up in the air. I still have everything stock on this little plane.
Welcome to HTX.
Okay, go down. Okay, and we're going to be flying it in self-level mode. Let's see if we can get it in vertical mode. It came right out of vertical mode. See if we can get it back around. Get it over here. There you go. Okay, so vertical mode is working, y'all. Came out of vertical mode. Oh! Oh! I'm not getting a hard enough turn for me. I'm gonna try to bring it down, y'all. I smacked the wing a little bit. I hope nothing came off of this plane. I like this little plane. Let's see. Oh man, a branch caught me. Ah, we got some damage right there. I'm glad it didn't come off though. I probably can fix that real easy. Got a little nick on the side of it. Sheesh, and it act like it didn't want to turn for me. So, looks like everything is intact though. Let me see if I can get it in the air again. The rates are really low, the way I have it on this transmitter. So let me see if I can do get the vertical mode working. There we go. Couldn't hold it. Let's try it again. So it seems to work when I'm high throttle, so I think that was my problem. You got to really keep up the throttle. Check it out. So if you keep the throttle up, it has no problem really with the vertical mode. I am still having a wide turning though. a wide turning radius. I would really love for the turning radius to be tighter. I gotta really come off the throttle in order to get this guy to turn hard. Check it out. I kind of panicked when I was going too close to the trees. I should have came off the throttle. When you come off the throttle, it allows you to turn this little plane a little tighter. And I don't have the manual mode set up on it. If I had put it in manual mode, I would be able to turn tighter while keeping the throttle up. Let's try the vertical mode again. It stalled out of the vertical mode. Let's try it again. There you go. So the vertical mode, there's a little learning curve with the vertical mode. As far as the throttle and everything, you might have to manipulate it a little on your own. Check it out. Because it'll stall out of the vertical mode. It sort of looks like it loses balance a little. Gotta apply some rudder too to get a tighter turn if you desire to turn tighter with this guy. Let's try to get vertical mode right here. Check it out. So when it's trying to stall out, you just got to give it more throttle. I think the throttle, the boost of throttle helps it stabilize a little more. There you go. Fun little plane. I think I'm gonna bring it down now. Let me bring it back over here again. I don't think there are any stunts that you can do with the stock transmitter, like one button presses or anything. Really fun plane from AliExpress. I'll have the link in the description, as well as codes to try to help you guys get this at a cheaper price. If you want to get this plane, really nice sized plane as well. It's the FX9701, I believe it is. I'll have the name of this plane right here from AliExpress. Thanks for watching.